Good morning children and welcome to this video. In today's video we would learn about the area of a circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a geometrical figure consisting of all those points in a plane which are at a given distance from a fixed point in the same plane. Now let's learn about the area of a circle in an interesting way. Let's take a circle. Keep on filling the circle with concentric circles like this, one inside the other, until it is completely filled. Now if I take a single circle and cut the circle and straighten it out, I would get a straight line. So if I use the same method here and cut all the circles and straighten the circles one by one, you will see that the outermost circle here would become the bottom line and all the other circles inside it would come one above the other as lines of decreasing lengths until you get a shape of a triangle. So if the perimeter of the outermost circle is 2 pi r, the length of the bottom line would also be 2 pi r. And the height here would be nothing but the radius of the outermost circle. So area of this circle is nothing but the area of the triangle. But what is the area of a triangle? It is half into base into height. But here base of the triangle is 2 pi r and height is r. So area of triangle would become half multiplied by 2 pi r multiplied by r, which becomes pi r square. Hence we can say that area of circle is equal to pi r square. So as you have just seen in the video, in order to calculate the area of the circle, the formula is pi r square. That means we must know the value of the radius of the circle in order to find its area. So let's start with worksheet number 6, question number 2. The circumference of the circle is 17.6 centimeters and we have to find the area. So what is given to us? We are given the circumference C of the circle as 17.6 centimeters and we have to find the area of the circle. Now as I told you, the formula for area of a circle is pi r square. That means we must know the value of r radius in order to calculate the area. So let's first start with what is given to us. Circumference is given to us. What is the formula to calculate the circumference? It is 2 pi r. And this circumference is given to us as 17.6 centimeter. Let's put in the values. 2 multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r is equal to 17.6 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of r. So let's transpose all the other known numbers to the other side. So r will become 17.6 multiplied by 7 and divided by 2 multiplied by 22. Let's do the cutting. This becomes 2 ones are 2 and 2 8.8s are 17.6. Again 22 ones are. So radius is 2.8 centimeters. Now that we know the value of the radius of the circle, we can easily calculate the area. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Let's put in the value. So this comes out to be 24.64 square centimeters as the area of the circle. So at the last we'll say hence area of the circle is 24.64 square centimeters. Coming to the next question, the third one. The area of a circular lawn is 154 square meters. So area of the circle is given to us and we have to find the circumference. Again, in order to find circumference, the formula is 2 pi r. So again, we must know the value of the radius. So we'll start with what is given to us. Area of circle is given to us. What is the formula to calculate area? It is pi r square. So pi r square is given to us as 154. Let's put in the values. 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square is equal to 154. That means r square is equal to, let's transpose the values. 154 multiplied by 7 upon 22. 22 ones are and 22 sevens are 154. So r square is 7 sevens are 49. So r square, let's express 49 in the form of a square of a number. 49 is the square of 7. So that means the radius is 7 meters. Now that we know the radius, we can find out the circumference. Circumference is, the formula to calculate circumference is 2 pi r. Let's put in the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r radius is 7. 7 gets cancelled. So 22 multiplied by 2 is 44 meters. Hence we would say that the circumference of lawn is 44 meters. Next is question number 5. The diameters of two silver discs are in the ratio 2:3. As you know, a disc is in the shape of a circle. So the ratio of the diameters of two discs is given to us as 2:3. What will be the ratio of their areas? So what is given to us? The ratio of diameters. So let the diameter of disc 1 is equal to d1 and radius is equal to r1. Similarly, let the diameter of disc 2 is equal to d2 and radius is equal to r2. Now what is given to us? We are given the ratio of the diameters. That means d1 ratio d2 is given to us as 2:3. Now this can be written as d1 upon d2 is equal to 2/3. Now we have to find the ratio of the areas. As I already told you, in order to find the area, we need the radius. So let's write the diameter in terms of radius. Diameter is twice the radius. So d1 can be written as twice radius 1 and d2 can be written as twice radius 2. This is also equal to 2:3. Now let's do the cutting. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we have radius 1 upon radius 2 is equal to 2/3. So we concluded that the ratio of the radius is also equal to 2:3. Now we have to find the ratio of the areas. So that means we have to find A1 upon A2, where A1 is the area of disc 1 and A2 is the area of disc 2. Now let's put in the values. Area of any disc, any circular disc is pi r square. So here we will say pi r1 square and A2 would be equal to pi r2 square. Now let's do the cutting. Pi gets cancelled. So this becomes r1 square upon r2 square. Now since the numerator and the denominator is having the same part, so we can write a common part on top. We can write it as r1 upon r2 whole square. But we know that r1 upon r2 is 2/3. So r1 upon r2 can be replaced by 2/3. So this becomes 2/3 whole square, which is 4/9. Hence we say the ratio of areas is 4:9. Coming to question number 6. If the perimeter of a semicircular park is 72 meters, find the area and the radius. So I have drawn here a semicircular park. The perimeter, that means the length of the boundary, is 72 meters. So now if I make it into a complete circle, so you know that the perimeter of a complete circle, the length of the boundary, that is equal to 2 pi r. But what we have here is half of the circle. So the perimeter, the formula for the perimeter of this half of the circle would be half of 2 pi r. And 2 would get cancelled. So the formula would be pi r. So this is the length of this half circle. But this is also the boundary of the semicircular part. That means we must include the diameter too. So from here we conclude that the formula for calculating the perimeter of a semicircle is pi r plus d. So let's write down. The perimeter of the semicircle is already given to us. That means pi r plus d is given to us as 72 meters. Now let's convert d in terms of radius. So this would become pi r plus 2r is equal to 72. Now what is common in both these terms? R is common. So let's take r outside. So inside we have pi plus 2 is equal to 72. Let's put in the values. R, pi is 22 upon 7 plus 2 is equal to 72. Now taking out the LCM, we get 36 upon 7 is equal to 72. So from here we can find out the value of R. R would be equal to 72 multiplied by 7 upon 36. Now let's do the cutting. This becomes 36 2s are, so 2 7s are 14 meters. So now we've got the radius, so we can find out the area of the semicircular part. Now the area of the whole circle is pi r square. So the area of half of the circle, that is semicircle, would be half of pi r square. So area would be equal to half of pi r square. That is equal to half multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square means 14 square. That is 14 multiplied by 14. Let's do the cutting. So this would become 22 multiplied by 14. That comes out to be 308 square meters. So hence we will say that the area of the semicircular park is 308 square meters.